Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. In this episode, let me bring to you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the trading day 4th May 2022. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, then always take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. Those who are new to trading account and demat account, I advise you to open the account with Upstock, a leading and a trustworthy broker who has got a lot of experience in this field. And also, the demat and trading accounts are free of cost. Now, let me come to my presentation. So, first, let me start with the open interest positions as on trading day 2nd May. Now, firstly, let me concentrate on the levels. Now, the highest call build-up is on 17,100, that is on Nifty, and the next highest is on 17,000. So 17,000 is going to be a very big resistance. And on the put side, if you see, the highest build-up on puts is on 17,000, and the next level of put building is around 16,900. So 16,900 is a minor support. If that breaks, then we'll have 16,800 as support. So you can see calls are heavily dominating. So the chance of market falling is imminent. Now let me come to the change in open interest. So let me go to the change in open interest, that is on Nifty. Okay. So now what you can see on the change in open interest. Yeah. So highest change has taken place is around 17,100. So 17,100 highest, and next highest build-up has happened around 17,000. So 17,000 is going to be a very strong resistance, and you can see hardly any put positions. People are not interested in puts. So market going lower is a higher probability. So now let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. So let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, now Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty chart is on your screen now. So now firstly let me concentrate on okay. So first let me concentrate on open interest. So you can see the highest call buildup. Highest call buildup is around 36,500. So next highest buildup is around 36,200. Next is around 36,000. So highest. So 36,000, 36,200 and 36,500 are going to be major resistances on the upper side. And the maximum pain is at, so you see the put, that is at around 36,000. So 36,000 call and put buildup is almost the same. So the maximum pain is at around 36,000. So therefore 36,000 is make or break level. So on the lower side, you can see hardly any puts here. So 35,500 is next support if 36,000 breaks. So based on the call and put build up, we can say that 36 is going to be a major resistance on Bank Nifty. So next level on the lower side is 35,500 is the great support. Now let me come to the change in open interest. So change in open interest on Bank Nifty. Okay, so highest change has taken place in 36,300, heavy writing. Even 36,200 also there is heavy writing. Puts hardly anything, nothing on put side. So lower is open, but higher is very strong resistance starting from 36, 36,100, 36,200. All levels are highly uh, strong levels. There is a lot of call build up on both of them. So therefore, on the lower side there is open, but on the higher side 36,200 to 36,500 are going to be major resistances. So that is the open interest and change in open interest for you. And from that straight away, let me come to the FII data. So you see FIIs were sellers, around 1,853 crores they sold, but DIIs were supporting the market. They purchased because LIC IPO is going on, so DIIs are supporting the market. So now let me come to the very important statistics, FII and DII. So now let me bring it down. Yes, so you can see the client wise derivatives positions. So what has happened client wise? FIIs are marked with yellow. So you see FIIs put long very high, almost double the amount of puts they have taken than what they have long. So put long, see call long is minimal, put long is higher, so they are expecting the markets to fall. And FIIs call short and put short almost equal. You can see even on the future side, FIIs short is higher than the long. So that is what the difference is. FIIs are heavily short on index as well as they have purchased the puts. What about the retail clients? Retail clients, they have purchased longs more. So retailers. So market is expected to go down. Okay. And you can see even the professional traders, they have shorted call than the puts. So that is another indication that market will fall. So that is what DIs hardly have any positions. They are putting their money in LIC. Okay, let me move further with my analysis. I'll close this. Yeah, now all important Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. Now first let me start with the Nifty chart. Okay, there the Nifty chart is on your screen now. Now firstly let me concentrate on the supports and resistances. Nifty is exactly trading below the all important support 16,593 levels. Yeah, central pivot is around 17,025. Okay, market opened higher today, but after that there is a fall, and the fall has intensified. So now it is around 16,593. So today, keeping 17,025 as the stop loss, you can short Nifty on all up moves for a target of 16,852 by tomorrow. So it is always better to buy puts and short Nifty. So sell on rise today market, sell on rise market. So it is always better that today we wait for the market to rise. So keeping 1725 as the stop loss, you can sell Nifty for a target of 16,852. So now market is trading at around 16,950, very crucial support. Then the next level for the Nifty is 16,680. Okay. So that is the Nifty strategy. And on the higher side, I don't think the market will move higher than the pivot. So let me not discuss about it. Now let me come to the very important Bank Nifty chart. Yeah, Bank Nifty chart. So this is the Bank Nifty chart on your screen. Okay. So exactly it is trading the upper range of the central pivot range. So here 36,098. So let me mark 36,098 is the current market price, and the pivot is around 35,999. So as we have already seen that 35,999 is going to be very stiff resistance on Mag Nifty, and even the higher levels 36,200, 36,500, 36,600. So this is one resistance, 36,370 for the day. Next 36,600. Okay, and on the lower side the support is around 35,767. So lower side is open for the day. So any rise on Bank Nifty you can sell for a target of 35,769. So sell at current market price around 36,090 levels for a target of 35,767. So this is my call for the day. So that is the Bank Nifty chart for you. On the higher side we have got strong resistances. So lower side is open. So on rise it is always better to sell Bank Nifty. So that is the Bank Nifty and Nifty chart for you for the day. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are planning to open stock, demat and trading account with Upstock, I have provided the link in the description box. Trade cautiously and have a nice trading day today. Thank you.